Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Okay. So, class, in previous class we have done the revision of the chapter soil erosion and its conservation, right? So, today we will take the revision of chapter amazing animals, right? The chapter amazing animals. Okay. I think you all have prepared the previous chapter. Am I right? Okay. So, class, I will ask to you a question. Give me answer. Okay. Tell me what is habitat? You know what is habitat? Yes. Give answer. I know you know the habitat. Yes. What is habitat? So, what is habitat? The habitat is what the natural surrounding of the animal. Right? What? The natural surrounding. Natural surrounding natural surrounding of the animal where the animal lives, right? Means the animals they eat, they grow, they raise their young ones also. So that is what? That is a habitat, right? As you are living in your home, so that is what, and also you are living in on land, so that is what your surrounding, your area, your environment, wherever you are living, that is your habitat. As the same way, the animals also living wherever they are living naturally, so that is what they are hunting there, they raise their young ones, they eat, they grow, right? So that is what, that is a habitat of the animal. So there is many type of habitat. What? Natural surrounding of animal, that is habitat, right? Forest is also a habitat of the animal, that is a natural habitat in the forest. Have you ever seen many of the animal are living like elephant, tiger, leopard, right? Lion, monkey, snake, rabbit, many of the animals there, they all are living in the forest, right? Number of variety of animal, there is the lion and tiger, they are living in a den, right? In a cave, and monkey lives on tree, right? And the snake and the rabbit, they are living in a burrow, right? So these all are the animal, they are living in a forest but in a different type of places. So this is a forest. The animal, monkey, lion, leopard, rabbit, snake, all the animals are living in a forest, right? And the second habitat is what? That is a desert. Desert is also a habitat. So, which type of animal lives in a habitat? In a desert, right? So, which type of animal lives in a desert? Right? Desert is also a natural habitat of the animal, right? So, the animal, those animal, they need to very less amount of water, right? So like camel lives in a desert because their body covering, their body feature is adopted to live in a desert. Like they have all the protein, all the nutrients, they are collected in the in their hump, right? And they have long feet, with a they have long legs with padded head that they can move easily in the sand, right? And also they have long eyelashes. They can the eyelashes help them to protect their eyes from the sand. So the ship that's called the ship of desert, right? So their body features is adopted to live in a desert, right? Then next one is what? Many of the snake and rat, many of the animal and also they are living in a desert. They need to very less amount of water. Some type of lizard also they are living in a forest. So camel, right? Next one is a polar region. Polar region, as I told you before, the polar region is the area that is very cold, that is extremely cold, right? Why it is extremely cold? Because it covers with the snow whole of the year, right? So that is the place that is extremely cold here. So they can protect themselves from the cold, means they can keep their body warm, right? The animal, they can keep their body warm, right? And also on the body of them, this type of animal, there is long fur, thick fur, right? Thick and long fur, so keep their body warm also in the extremely cold region. So they can survive here. They can survive in that type of habitat, right? So polar bear and penguins. Polar bear and penguins can survive here in extremely cold region, right? So their body feature adapted to live here. The next one is a what? Fresh water and ocean. So tell me, what is fresh water? What is fresh water? Which type of water we call that is a fresh water? No? Give answer. Yes? Okay. So, ocean and fresh water. That is also a habitat. Fresh water. So, ocean is what? That we found the ocean water, we cannot, it is not a drinkable water because we found large amount of salt in the ocean water, right? And fresh water is what? That is a drinkable water. The river water, lake water and pond water that we can drink, right? We can use it for our daily needs, right? For washing clothes, for drinking, no? So that is what? That is a fresh water because the salt amount in the fresh water there is no salt amount here, very less, we can say. We did not, in the fresh water we do not found the salt, and in the ocean water there is large amount of salt, right? So that's why it is drinkable and we cannot drink. So which type of animal are living in our ocean? Like shark, many type of fishes, right? They are living in a ocean. And the fresh water, frog, salamander. Salamander. So frog and salamander, they are living in a, many of the other animal also they are living in a fresh water. So they are the frog is called the amphibian. Why? Before this class, in the previous class, I have also told you why the frog is called the amphibian. No? Give answer, beta. Yes. So the frog is called the animal those animal are living in both places. Where? In the water and on a land. So these animal are called the amphibians. Right? The animal those are living on both places, land and water, are called amphibians because they can live in both places. Right? So they are called the amphibians. So these all are the habitat of animal. So after that we will learn about the next topic is adaptation of animal. Right?
It is a picture of dinosaur.
So for our all wool is what? The animal like sheep, right, bear on their body, and rabbit. Many of the animal on their body we found the fur or wool. So fur also help them to it protect them from the winter season, right, and from the rain also. It keep their body warm, and wool uh, we are also using for making woolen cloths, right. The people, the human are also using the wool for making woolen cloth that is found on the body of sheep and goats, right. So the fur and wool also keep the body warm and protect them also from the rain. Sheep and deer, rabbit, on their body we found the fur or wool, polar bear. So it is a body covering that helps them to survive in their surrounding. Next one is what? Feather. So feather, what is feather? Have you listened about that? Maybe everyone have seen the words, right? So it helps them to fly. First thing, the bird the feathers help them to fly the bird, right? There is 3 type of feathers: flight feathers, down feathers, and body feathers, right? So it protect them also from the rain, right? So it is a body structure that help them to. What is the structure of feathers? Every type of bird on their body we found the feathers. Some type of bird they are looking very beautiful according about their feather. Whatever feathers we found on their body, that is very beautiful due to different type of color, right? So that is feather we found on the body of birds, right? So it is the all about the body covering of the animal. The animal are adapted to live according to their surrounding, right? The next one is what? Camouflage. What is camouflage? Yes, class. In the previous class, I have told you what is camouflage. Yes. Camouflage. What property is called camouflage? That is a type of body structure of the animal. Camouflage is a body structure of the animal that they can blend in their body in their environment, right? Their body color, their body spots, they can merge, they can blend in their surrounding. So why they can blend and what is how it help them to survive? So due to the property of camouflage, they blend to their environment, they help, they protect themselves from their predators, from their enemies, right? They can hide in the surrounding, in the grasses, in the forest, right? Like chameleon. Which type of animal we found on their body? We found the camouflage. Chameleon. You know, chameleon can change their body color according to their environment. According to their environment, right? Leopard, zebra. These are the animal. Many of other animal, they can blend their body to their environment. So that is what, that is a this these properties called camouflaging, and the animal who have this property, they are called the camouflaging animal, right? They are called the camouflaging animal. So camouflage is what? That is a body. We found the body spot on the body of animal, like on the zebra body we found the strip black and white. It helped them to hide in the grassland. It helped them to protect from their predators, from their enemies. Also they can keep their body warm and cool in the different type of weather. And the same way cheetah and leopard also, we found the spots on their body, right? And the chameleon also can change their color, body color, in a according to their surrounding. So that is what, that all are called the camouflaging animal, right? So class, it's all about the amazing animal that we have learned. The topic we have learned about the habitat, adaptation, and the body covering of the animal, right? So class, if you are having any query, any question, you can ask me, right? Okay, thank you class, have a nice day.